Do you ever look at your upholstered furniture and cringe?
Spring cleaning is here, which to me isn't too much different than regular cleaning, except for now I've got to clean the things I usually neglect. Somehow my kids' furniture, or anything upholstered for that matter, looks like we made mud pie masterpieces on it. Don't be embarrassed any longer and do this quick cleanup.
The only thing you're going to need is Dawn dish soap, a scrub brush, vinegar, and hot water. All of these items can actually be purchased from the $1.25 store. I literally just eyeball my cleaning solution. That should definitely be a formal type of cleaning measurement. I probably realistically add 2 tablespoons of Dawn and a half a cup of vinegar. You may want to add a higher concentration of Dawn or vinegar for tougher stains though. I put the kids' chair in the bathtub for this quick cleanup because I know when I scrub water and soap, it tends to splash off, and this is going to ensure I don't make a mess while cleaning up a mess. It's also really efficient for being able to access the hot water. So, as you can see, I literally just dip my scrub brush in the cleaning solution and start to saturate the fabric. Once I've saturated it and see the marks are stains versus surface dust, and they're giving me a little trouble coming up, I add additional Dawn directly to the scrub brush and start to scrub those stains away. It is quite satisfying to see how quickly the chair becomes clean, and this is so easy. And this doesn't just work on kids' furniture, it also works on anything upholstered. Recently, I cleaned a couch that was in the garage and had great results. Now time for Elsa to let it go, meaning the paint right out of her hair. If you're liking this video, please subscribe for my new series of short-length videos on how to clean difficult areas in and around your home. Then I repeated the process on all stained areas of the chair. On the one arm, there was some acrylic paint soaked and stained into the fabric that I couldn't get off, but overall, the chair looked way better. After I was done scrubbing, I stuck the chair in front of my sliding glass door for the sun to beat on it. Since there was vinegar in the solution, the sun should really help to brighten the fabric up. I was impressed with the finished product, even though the fabric on this chair is pretty thin and cheap. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Have a great day.